Hello, my name is David Lawrence. I'm a journalism master's student at Morgan State University. The title of my feature is Brother Act. It explores two Baltimore brothers keeping community in mind while chasing an entrepreneurial dream with a childhood love. I hope you enjoy it.
Connie, chicken and waffles. Connie, chicken and waffles.
If you ride through downtown Baltimore on any given afternoon, you will see and hear the signs for Connie's Chicken and Waffles and the men behind the restaurant, Baltimore brothers Connie and Sean Parker. Connie, a former IT manager, and Sean, a former construction worker, began putting plans in motion to start a business in the fall of 2015 and didn't look far for an inspiration.
Chicken and waffles is a dish that my mom made all the time when we were kids growing up. So we said, yeah, Baltimore really doesn't have a chicken and waffle scene.
We traveled across country, visited a few different chicken and waffle places, and realized there wasn't anyone in Baltimore that exclusively sold chicken and waffles. And they didn't sell it the way that we had it when we were growing up. So we decided to start.
And start they did in Lexington Market in June 2016. The restaurant serves items such as shrimp boxes, shrimp po' boys, chicken boxes, and of course, the namesake product. Even the waffles have variety, with flavors such as red velvet, chocolate chip, cinnamon, crunch berry, and their newest flavor, the Oreo waffle. So how did that flavor come about?
Growing up, once again, we always ate Oreo cookies. So we felt like having an Oreo cookie waffle should be a great thing.
But the Oreo is something that's just unique. Most people never expect to have an Oreo waffle.
So we tested among our team members and found out that everyone liked it.
And yes, the food is amazing. But for longtime customers like Brianna Coleman, it's not just the food that brings them back.
It's to feel like home, Miss Connie always been really, really close to me. I call her my mother now.
And Miss Connie makes sure customers feel that way. The retired BGE employee now places her energy in the family business.
I must say I love the people, I love the community. So I wanted to be here. I wanted to be a part of this. I'm here to talk to the people.
The community first mindset, displayed from sponsorship to catering to their outreach marketing efforts, is the driving force of the Parker family's business model for Connie's.
I feel like Baltimore has a lack of affordable, quality food. Our meals are probably 25 to 50% lower than the average chicken and waffle place. So it's kind of giving folks the experience, but at an affordable price.
We'll take our campaign banners and we'll walk around and we'll kind of parade around the streets and kind of introduce folks to us, the Connie's brand, the Connie's experience, and hope that they'll come give us a chance, try us out, and like our food.
Their model is paying dividends, both in Baltimore and beyond. Connie's has been featured in the national media, from Southwest Airline Magazine to Food Network, naming Connie's the best waffle in Maryland. With community support and media recognition, the Parkers are starting to add beyond Lexington Market, opening locations at the Charles Towers Food Court and Patapsco Flea Market. And while their focus remains on their current locations, it has not stopped Connie and Sean from thinking bigger long term.
Hopefully at least 10 to 20 stores in the near future. And then, like I said, franchising is the big one.
Our thought is we want to be able to bring chicken and waffles to everyone in the world.
We're hoping to be as big as McDonald's or Chick-fil-A.
Connie's is described as a back to the future restaurant where love and passion is valued as greatly as the food. The Parkers say they aren't perfect at running a business, but this grassroots Black-owned eatery is going places, changing the world one waffle at a time.